AWS Web Application Firewall. AWS WAF provides inline inspection of inbound traffic at the application layer to detect and filter against critical web application security flaws from common web exploits that could affect application availability, compromise security, or consume excessive resources. The inbound traffic is inspected against web access control list rules that you can create manually or programmatically. It being an AWS Managed Service, comes with added reliability and scalability. It can detect and filter malicious web requests, and scale to handle bursts in traffic. Block traffic from embargoed countries. AWS WAF can also be used to block requests from certain geographical locations, like embargoed countries, by applying geographic match conditions. By using AWS WAF, you can create a customized list to easily manage an automated solution for geographic blocking. Automated solution. The automated solution applies geography-based IP restrictions, based on a descriptive JSON file, that lists all the locations that you want to block. When you update this file, the automation applies all the rules to the specified AWS WAF Web ACL. For countries not listed on the geographic match condition, or if you just need to block a subset of IPs from a country, the JSON file also has a section where you can list IP ranges that should be blocked. 2 AWS Lambda Functions, a custom resource function, and an embargoed countries parser. The custom resource function helps provision the solution when the AWS WAF conditions, rules, and Web ACL are created and configured. It's also triggered when you upload an initial version of the embargoed countries JSON file to your S3 bucket. The embargoed countries parser function is triggered whenever a new JSON file is uploaded to the S3 bucket. When an upload occurs, the function parses the new file and enforces AWS WAF rules that reflect what the file describes. Summary. We saw how to use AWS WAF to help protect applications from unwanted or unauthorized traffic, that is to block inbound traffic from specific geographic regions to applications served by CloudFront or ALB. Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.